Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious ground beef picadillo made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Delicious and amazing ground beef picadillo. These are my ingredients: salt, Himalaya salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, 2 zucchinis, red onion, tomato, 2 chiles serranos, and of course our ground beef, lean ground beef. Let's make this amazing and delicious homemade picadillo. Let's get started. I want to start here with the 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And now on my pan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to add the ground beef. I'm going to pull it apart just like this, and then I am ready to cover it and let it cook in medium heat. And here I have my red onion. I'm going to remove all the skin, and then I'm ready to cube it in small little pieces just like that. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. The onion is really going to give it such a delicious flavor. And here I have my tomatoes. I am going to cube them just like that, one by one, until I have them all nice and cubed. Let me continue with the rest. Now that I'm done, I'm going to put it aside, and now I'm ready to cut my zucchinis. I'm going to slice the zucchinis just like this, and then I am going to cube it. This is the best part. When you make your zucchinis, don't ever overcook them. I'm going to continue cutting the rest, and let me show you how this looks from close up. Look at this. That's exactly how you want your zucchinis. After a couple minutes, then you're ready to just pull apart your ground beef. Once it's nice and pulled apart, then you are ready to start adding all your onion and your tomato. Incorporate it really good into the ground beef, just like this. Let me tell you, this picadillo comes out so delicious and amazing and very easy to prepare. You're going to love it once you make it. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. The smoked paprika really gives it such an amazing flavor. I'm just going to incorporate it really good. Once everything is incorporated, I am ready to start adding my zucchini. But let me show you from close up. The ground beef has released all the juices. The tomato has released all the juices. And now let me show you. Let's add the zucchini right into the mixture. We are going to cover it completely with that amazing sauce. Don't forget your 2 chili serranos. If you don't love spicy food, do not add them. I'm just going to add them whole. This is not going to make the food spicy. It's just the chiles are going to get nice and soft. And now this is the best part. Once you add your chili, just cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes, and then that's done. Remember that you don't want to overcook your zucchini. You want the zucchini to still be al dente and bright green. Now I am ready to prepare the plate for the presentation. Of course, I'm using one of the hard plates, because when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. I'm being very generous with the picadillo, and of course, I'm not going to forget the chile. How can you enjoy this amazing recipe? You could enjoy it with beans, with rice. You could enjoy it on a salad on top of pasta, but I'm going to enjoy it in tacos. Yes, I'm warming up my tortillas. I want them a little crispy.
And now I am ready to start building my tacos. My mouth is watering because my home smells amazing. I have a little bit of cilantro. I want to add a little bit on cilantro and queso fresco to my tacos. I hope you make it, my friends, and you enjoy what I enjoy here with my beautiful family. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to be part of my family, part of me growing here in YouTube. Thank you so much for being part of my family and always seeing my recipes. I'm adding queso fresco, I'm adding a little bit of cilantro, and of course, I'm not going to forget my serrano chili because I love spicy food. I'm going to add it and then I'm ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy, and I'll see you in just a little bit. Look at this. Look how amazing these tacos look. Like I said, you could enjoy it with beans and rice on top of pasta, on top of a salad. You decide, but I'm going to enjoy this picadillo in tacos. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing ground beef picadillo. Of course, I made myself some tacos and I added cilantro and queso fresco. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, the zucchini is still al dente. I didn't overcook it. It still has a little bit of crunch. I wish you guys were here to taste this amazing picadillo. Excuse me. Amazing. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. So easy to prepare and yet so delicious. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing ground beef picadillo. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.